Are you struggling to define a table name at runtime using Quill? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to explore how to tackle it together. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you encounter compilation errors, especially when you're just trying to get your code to work. You're in the right place to find a solution. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently asked, "How can I define a table name at runtime using Quill?" They shared their code and mentioned they were getting a compilation error. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this issue. So, what's going wrong here? The error message indicates that the table name is not being parsed correctly. This can happen if the table name is not defined in a way that Quill can understand at compile time. And stick around. I have a workaround that could save you a lot of headaches, and it's coming up soon. To address the user's issue with defining a table name at runtime in Quill, we first need to ensure that the table name is passed correctly to the query schema. This is crucial for avoiding compilation errors. Next, the user should modify the code to use a dynamic table name. This can be achieved by using a method that accepts the table name as a parameter and returns the query schema accordingly. Now the user can update the selectByVar_id method to utilize this new approach. This will allow the method to work with the table name defined at runtime without causing compilation errors. Finally, the user should test the updated implementation to ensure that it works as expected. This involves running the application and checking for any remaining errors. Fun fact, did you know that Quill is named after the Quill pen? Just like a quill helps you write, Quill helps you write efficient database queries. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the dynamic query schema feature in Quill version 3 and above. This allows you to define table names at runtime. In the provided code, two different table names are defined, person and person2. The user demonstrates how to create queries for both tables dynamically. Here's the workaround I promised. By using a configuration file to define your table names, you can avoid these compilation errors and keep your code clean. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to define your table names at runtime without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.